Maharashtra's Health Minister Suresh Shetty has now promised to look into the case of a driver who was sacked by the State Transport Corporation last month, all because he was HIV positive.
The 41-year-old voluntarily disclosed his status to his employers in 2008. He had later asked to be shifted to a non-driving job as the condition had weakened him physically, rendering him unfit to drive. But the State Transport Corporation chose to sack him instead, citing norms that only provide desk jobs for drivers only in cases of accidents and disabilities.
AIDS का जीवाणु HIV छूने से नहीं फैलता.
2 decades since the government launched its battle against discrimination of HIV-positive people, with this iconic advertisement, crores have been spent to counter persecution of the HIV-infected. But the campaign, ironically, has failed to eliminate prejudice even within government departments. This 41-year-old bus driver from Pune, an HIV-positive, was sacked by the State Transport Department last month. The sole breadwinner in the family, his teenage son was then forced to quit studies. He now works as a security guard.
सरकार जो एडवर्टाइज देके बोलती है या ऐसे लोगों को नजदीक लो, प्रेम दो, उसको काम दो, काम देने से अच्छा रहते है, उनकी सेहत अच्छी रहती है. लेकिन यही सरकार जो नौकरी से निकालते हैं.
He tested positive in 2008 and voluntarily disclosed his status to his employers. Considerably weakened by the disease and fearful of putting the lives of passengers at risk, he asked to be moved to a non-driving job last year. Medical tests at the government-run Sassoon Hospital too declared he was unfit for driving heavy vehicles. The State Transport Department chose to sack him instead on the basis of that report. The State Transport Corporation, in its defense, quotes the rule book. The divisional controller told CNN-IBN the rules only provided for accommodating drivers in a desk job in case of accidents where the individual is 40% disabled.
Here's what the State Health Minister Suresh Shetty said after seeing that CNN-IBN special report. He said, I'm quoting him now, "It is unfortunate. If it is true, I will speak to the State Transport Secretary about the dismissal of the HIV-positive State Transport bus driver. It is not the correct approach," he says. "I will need to find out more details before I can act."
I'm just wondering what makes them think that they should not, that they can't put him into a desk job, because he's willing to work. He's not saying that I don't want to work. The doctors have said that he can't do heavy work, which is like driving a heavy vehicle, but a desk job should not be a problem at all. And if the whole issue is like what STC is saying, that only people with 40% disability can be accommodated into desk jobs if they've had an accident-related event. I don't see any reason why that can't be changed to accommodate people living with HIV.